So Obamacare is exploding with no Democrat support. We couldn't quite get there. We're just a very small number of votes short in terms of getting our bill passed.
You heard him there. President Trump reacting to the lack of votes for his troubled health care bill that was pulled off the House floor.
The president blaming the lack of support from Democrats. And our Washington, D.C. bureau chief Ross Palumbo has been monitoring this for us. He's live from Capitol Hill with the latest. Ross.
Well, Victor, Lori, what a day from the Hill all the way to the White House. As one Democrat said out here today, the president just did not have enough juice, even after that ultimatum where he said he wanted an up or down vote. Right before that was supposed to happen, the president agreed to pull the measure from the House floor.
I've been saying for the last year and a half that the best thing we can do, politically speaking, is let Obamacare explode. It is exploding right now.
But the president has also been saying repealing Obamacare would be his top priority. Today, that priority imploded, despite 36 hours of arm twisting and furious debate.
We need health care.
With no Democrat support, we couldn't quite get there. We're just a very small number of votes short in terms of getting our bill passed.
Speaker Paul Ryan met with the president just hours before, going through the numbers, explaining to the president that it wouldn't pass. Then, despite demanding an up or down vote just last night, the president agreed to have the measure pulled.
I spoke to the president just a little while ago, and I told him that the best thing I think to do is to pull this bill, and he agreed with that decision. I will not sugarcoat this. This is a disappointing day for us.
Democrats were out immediately saying this was a great day, especially for the tens of millions of Americans currently covered by Obamacare.
Who knows what's going to happen next? I don't put anything past these guys to come back with a vengeance, but this was a good day.
What happened on the floor is a victory for the American people, for our seniors, for people with disabilities, for our children, for our veterans.
Well, Hillary Clinton was also out today tweeting, "This is a victory for all Americans." Democrats on the Hill certainly are happy about all of this, but what they really want is to work with Republicans, they say, to fix Obamacare. They all agree that there are issues with it. They just don't want it repealed, Lori and Victor, and eventually replaced. They just want to tweak it, and they're more than willing to work at least on that.
And Ross, one more thing that the president did say was that he hopes that this leads to a better bill down the line. But do you think there are plans right now already in the works to introduce a new bill, or will they move on with their agenda focusing on things like tax reform?
Well, both the president and the speaker indicated that they think this current bill is beyond repair. So they're going to go back to the drawing board and start something new that's going to take several months. So the president said his immediate goal is to work now on tax reform.
And Ross, thank you so much. We'll be checking back at 11 o'clock. No doubt more reaction will be pouring your way over the next few hours.